fun part, said no one ever. All these boards are about the same length, so I'm just gonna cut them in half, so I'll have a lot more material to work with. After I cut these, I realized that they're pretty tall. That looks pretty tall. So I'm gonna shave the bottom part off, and I'll cut it down a little bit, and then I think that will be good. I think that's better. Oh my! Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it was helpful to you and that you learned to build something too. Before you head out, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you next time.